Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and in this video I'm going to tell you some noticeable recent developments in Ielts. Sometimes you guys are not aware what's going on in Ielts world, so you should be aware. The first thing, development number 1 is Cambridge Ielts 17. Academic and Gender Training, these two books have been released by Cambridge. So I would advise you to get original book from Cambridge, by Cambridge. That is going to be fine. Okay, so book 17 is a very good book, especially for listening tests in book 17. They are remarkable by all means. Then we have reading tests. Reading tests are equally good, and by the way, book 17 is as per the recent trends, as per the recent patterns of Ielts exam. But you know, there is a huge variety. Sometimes they give you old test or new test, but Cambridge 17 covers a good variety of questions. So you should get Cambridge Ielts book 17, academic or gender training as per your needs. Secondly, in Ielts speaking, part 1 and part 3, now examiners are more vigilant. They ask a variety of questions on a number of different topics to check the ability of the candidates. So you have to be careful. If they don't ask you all the questions related to one topic and they have a variety of topics, so there is no problem. Just try to answer every question whenever they ask you. One more development that is important is that one module retake test has not been finalized yet. So it was more like a rumor, right? And until now, there isn't any news about or any news that confirms that one test retake is available. It's more like a rumor. So it's just a rumor. Okay, I made a video that they sent a proposal, but it's not finalized yet until today. Today it is 16th of July. Yes, later on, if it is finalized and I make another video for that, I'll make that. But anyways, until today, this has been proved as a rumor, and one single module retake is not available. So these have been some developments in Ielts world, and if there is any recent development and you know about that, do let me know about it as well. All the best, guys. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.